Morning guys, ndinguziso Dawedi. Today, 31st of May 2025 is a very special day. Namhlanje ndichata best friend yam, the love of my life. I am so excited. At the same time, I'm nervous. Angabaleki. But anyway, I am so excited to spend my life with him. He really adores me to death. It's one person that I know for sure. We understand that with everything that he is. So enjoy this day with me. I'm so happy my family will be here, my friends, to celebrate this time where I'm starting a journey chato. So I am so excited. Thank you.
My mind is like a river, and you always bathe in the water. Oh, I prayed for you. Oh, I cried for you.
Hi guys, so my name is Tsikelelo Samuel Nala. Born and raised in PE. I'm feeling a bit anxious, butterflies, happy, a bit nervous, but blessed and happy that we came to this point. It's been a journey. We started off as friends, me and Zizo, and it was very funny. The first meeting that we had was in a observation room where they do something called a pap smear. And I had to direct her away from that and told her that she can't actually have lunch in that place. It was a bit of a joke, and then that's how we started. And then it was memes. She actually complained about that I actually don't communicate. I always just send memes, and she needed more of a conversation from me. That's when then things started getting serious, and yeah, met at church, and this is where we're at today.
Can I sleep here forever? Whoa, you're the best thing that I've ever seen. Yeah. Your face is like a superpower. You're the sun and I'm the flower. Oh, I prayed for you. Oh, I cried for you. I can't believe we're here at last. Oh, I prayed for you. Oh, I cried for you. I can't believe we're here at last. Can you take me through? Oh, touch me on my face, kiss me on my hand, take me to a place where we find love. Show me what it means and how it's supposed to feel. You got all I need. Can we make love like it's our first time? First time. First time.